Adrianna trying to play out in the rain. Her dad's not letting her. We're just chilling. Let's go play. It's lightning and thunder, buddy. We're having some rain finally.
Yeah, the grass needs it.
What's that, Adrian?
Oh, hi, buddy.
Why is it so white? Look at that, a white lizard.
It
fell! Where'd it go? Oh, right there. A lizard.
They change colors.
Since when do they change colors? Look at that little white lizard. Don't go near it, baby. What, baby? Leave it alone. Let it get its water in.
It's like, yeah.
Probably hot. Woo! Adrianna reacting to a rainstorm.
She loves it.
Yeah. Oh, I caught that. A little bit of that.
Whoa.
That's a girl's reaction. It's raining here. You're reacting to thunder? Yeah. Over there, there's thunder and lightning. Adrianna's reaction to it. Let's see where she's trying to go now. Okay, buddy. She's trying to figure out where she can go. Make it stop. Go ahead. Now Daddy's taking her to let her play in the rain. Mason, move, buddy.